Ελάτε, παιδιά. Come on. Ready for the shoot?
Ready.
Born ready, yeah?
Are you?
As always, yes.
Okay then, so let's go.
I'm Mikhail Lukos and I am currently employed at OHB HELLAS, serving as a mechanical engineer for space systems. My technical background and expertise is in rocket propulsion systems and launch vehicle design, emphasizing in performance, design and analysis, and test execution processes.
And I am Kritonas Pschalidis, having a technical background and experience on structures for space explorations, including planetary rovers and CubeSats, and I am working at OHB HELLAS as a space structural engineer.
The Advanced Manufacturing Department prioritizes the development and optimization of polymer-based additive manufacturing technologies tailored for space and aerospace applications. Additionally, the department delivers comprehensive engineering services encompassing integrated mechanical design and manufacturing process solutions supported by robust collaborative partnerships.
We are currently developing a high-temperature 3D printing system with customized extruder and hot end, designed for printing space-graded polymers in vacuum conditions for space applications. The main objectives are to achieve effective extrusion under vacuum conditions and efficient thermal control across the desired system. As a department, we also contributed to the development and testing of two innovative selective metallization processes to functionalize polymer substrates with conductive patterns. Through this method, complex and lightweight antenna structures can be produced and adapt to the harsh space environment.
In AMI, we are also working on mechanical projects for space systems. The design and analysis of additive manufacturing components for space systems necessitate the integration of multidisciplinary engineering principles to ensure structural integrity, efficient thermal management, and reliable operation under the extreme conditions of launch and space environments. This process encompasses detailed modeling and simulation coupled with rigorous testing protocols to validate performance against stringent requirements related to mass, vibration, and safety, which are specific to space missions. The department has established strategic collaborations with industrial additive manufacturing partners to deliver optimized manufacturing and procurement solutions that rigorously comply with ECS standards, cleanliness protocols, and product assurance criteria. Leveraging these partnerships, the department seeks to advance its technological capabilities and extend the application of space-qualified components to domains including robotics, mechanisms, and defense systems.
Furthermore, our department supports European defense-funded projects through advanced mechanical design and system integration. Leveraging our technical background, we contribute to innovative solutions and strive for a more sustainable future for Europe. As a mechanical engineer at OHB HELLAS, my ambition is to drive innovation, foster collaborations, and push the boundaries of space technologies to new and exciting possibilities.
And I personally aspire to elevate the mechanical department's engagement in cutting-edge aerospace initiatives, aiming in that way to have a resonant impact to the development of the Greek aerospace industry.
Great. Okay, I think we're done, guys.
Thank you. Να είμαστε.
Arigato.
Ήμασταν καλοί, το είχαμε.